In this video presentation, we're going to cover how to fill out the specifications panel in the Footprint Expert FP Designer module. We already created this in the previous video where we were showing how to move the origin around. And here is the specifications panel down here. Well, I have a scroll bar here. I could scroll down to it, but I don't want to scroll down to it. So I want to collapse PadStack's menu and the pins menu and the origin menu. And I just want to just collapse those panels. And now I can just get right down to the specifications panel. For the description category, you wouldn't drop down here and then go in through all these different parts here. You would just start typing in whatever you want. If you want a connector, you would type in CON, and then you have all these different connectors here that you can select from. If you wanted a switch, you would type in SW, and it would come up with all these switches: switch detector, dip, keyboard, push button, rocker, rotary, so on and so forth. So you would just type in the first three letters of whatever component family you want. If you want an LED, I type in L, I get a land grid array, an LCC, or an LED. I can type in an A, I get an amplifier and an antenna. A B, a battery, a ball grid array, battery holder, whatever, buzzer. So you get the idea on the description category. For the manufacturer, all you need to do is type in the first three letters of the manufacturer. So place your cursor in the manufacturer field. Now we support, of course, 800 manufacturers, so you don't want to go ahead and search for those. Just type in like ANA, enter, and I get analog devices, and then it puts in the prefix for me. The prefix is analog. We don't want to have because this is going to be in the footprint name, and we don't want to have a footprint name called analog _ devices _ and then the case code or the part number or whatever. I just want to use the word analog. The same thing goes with Texas Instruments. If I were to go here and type in TEX, enter, it's going to put TI for the prefix. Then over here, I would put the case code and the part number. Now, the difference between if it's a connector, the connector part number is always the same as the case code. So for all connectors in the entire electronics industry, the part number for the connector is the same as the case code. So you would put in the part number here, and then you would select part number for your footprint name. And it would automatically populate that. If I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash 6, 7, 8, 9, if I take that guy here, and if I paste it here and click on OK, and now I have a footprint name called TI _ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash and OK, and I'm going to say finish here. When I add it to my library, I'm going to go ahead and create a new library, just a blank library, just to put this part in here. We're just going to go ahead and say add to library, and it auto-populates the footprint name, physical description, per my physical description, my case code, my manufacturer name, and my part number, and whether the part status is active, and the footprint date and time. All I have to do is just fill in the logical description, the mounting type. The mounting type is going to be, I could type in an S or a T. I'm going to type in a T for through hole. Just click on through hole. The datasheet link would be whatever you want. It could be the HTML datasheet, and then we have a comments column. That concludes this video presentation on how to populate the specifications in Footprint Expert FP Designer module.
Simplify, standardize, and automate an entire IPC and IEC compliant library. Detailed, accurate, reliable, professional. Highest quality footprints and 3D step models, clicks away. Many companies worldwide are easily generating their CAD libraries. You should too. Get a fully functional Footprint Expert Evaluation license for any CAD format and demo today. Contact us at PCBlibraries.com or call 847-557-2300.